Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. This week, we will talk about how to set up Office 365 delivery account. Open the Desk Director admin portal and go to the email section. Next, click on Delivery Accounts and then select New Account. Enter a name for the account and click the Type dropdown. Choose Office 365 Outlook and then click Create. After that, click Setup. Enter the primary email address for the account and click Grant. The Outlook authentication window will appear. Enter the password for the primary account and click Sign In. Once authentication is complete, you'll be redirected back to the account setup page. To set up the sender's email ID, scroll down and click Edit. Enter the display name and email address, then click Setup to save the details. To set up the sender's no-reply email ID, scroll down and click Setup. Enter the display name and email address, then click Setup again. Then, scroll up and click the three-dot menu and select Test. You can now send a test email to verify if the account is active. Enter an email address and click Send Test Email. If the email is successfully sent, a success message will appear. Click Cancel to close the window. That is how you set up Office 365 delivery account. Thank you for joining today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.